Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. Today, we're going to take a look at PolishAngel. A few products from PolishAngel. Glass Coat Graphene Spritz. We're going to take a look at the PolishAngel Intimate, which is an interior detailer. And we'll take a look at the Primer Spritz, which I have here. We'll start off with Primer Spritz. Primer Spritz is used to remove any impurities after the polishing step. Any oils, any dirt. It also lays down a primer or a foundation layer for their spray coatings, such as the one we're going to use today, the Glass Coat Graphene Spritz. Graphene Spritz is easy to use. Once you're finished with the polishing or correction stage, you can mist this into a microfiber and go over the panel you were just freshly correcting. Remove any polish oils, any impurities, and lay down that primer for the coating. Just the primer spritz in a 100 milliliter bottle is $40. It's hard for me to nail down the PolishAngel line. I believe it's geared towards the enthusiast with expensive cars and a garage to work on their vehicles, their beloved rides. You do get great results, and it is a pleasure to work with. Let's move on to the Glass Coat Graphene Spritz. Graphene Spritz can be used on its own, or it can be used to top any protectant, including their diamond coat. Just a little spritz into a microfiber applicator, spread out evenly into a thin film over the panel. All you need to do is ensure that you're covering the panel, and it's easy to use. This graphene resin-infused spray is quite expensive. $74 for the 200 milliliters, $124 for 500 milliliters. So it better give you the results. It gives you, the way they explain to us, a very glossy mirror finish. Very hydrophobic, extends the life of your coating, your wax, or your sealant, so it can be topper or can top really practically anything. Easy to use, streak-free finish. We have PPF on the entire front clip of the R8 Audi here, and you can use this as a topper on paint protection film, vinyl, any hard surface on the exterior of your car, truck, or motorcycle. So just as the directions indicate, put a nice thin film or layer of the product on the panel, and then just wipe off. It is easy to wipe off as well, easy to get on there, spread around, a nice user experience. The first thing that will stand out is the slickness. You'll feel the microfiber glide across the panel. The gloss will kick in. And again, you can apply it to all hard surfaces: headlight, taillight, trim, plastic, vinyl, paint protection film, any painted surface, wheels, carbon fiber, carbon flash, absolutely everything. Really doesn't take long at all to get around the vehicle this size, and when you're finished, you can take a step back, take a deep breath, relax, and enjoy the results. The gloss, the slickness. Cure time, 24 hours. Let's move on over to the test panel. If you're going to use this, by the way, as a standalone, proper prep. So wash, decon, clay iron remover, polish, at least a cleaner polish if you're not going to do a multi-step correction. We're going to tape off an area on this test panel here and get it applied, just like we did on the Audi R8. That's all there is to it. Just let it cure. Keep it away from free-flowing water, rainfall. Don't wash it. When it is cure, you can see the meter wants to slide right off. The slickness is there, but the gloss is there as well. Not the highest numbers on the channel, but anything above 90, and this is reaching near the mid-90s, is very good. The slickness, which is pretty much the first thing you'll notice, is obvious. Moving everything on outside will remove the tape, and you can see the jetting effect. It does make areas darker and richer that you apply it to. It gives it a little depth. Okay, water behavior, crazy beating. So if you have a problem with water spotting in your area, just something to keep in mind. It is easy to dry with a leaf blower or drying towel. When it comes to PolishAngel, all of their protectants do very well against chemical resistance. The strip wash here and the highly alkaline wash we have going, we're going to do the 10 wash test. I can tell you that will do absolutely nothing to phase it. You can see it rejecting the soap right here. No problems whatsoever. Will a degreaser affect it or phase it at all? Let's do a couple rounds with the ZEP. No problems whatsoever. So I'm also going to show you, we applied it to a vehicle, its painted surfaces and its wheels, and it has just had a fresh wash, and this is what it looks like afterwards before we dry it. Pros and cons of the product line, and every tool, every product line has them. The pros: easy to use, effective, a nice look, a nice feel. But that drawback, the con, is the price. And because of that, the product line would rank high. But I'm going to have to give it a 7 out of 10. That price really kills it for me, and I can't recommend it to anybody but the enthusiast that's well off. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Brian from Apex Detail. I'll catch you in the next video.